Today we're going to go over the 50,000 cycle maintenance for your ROQ automated screen printing machine. Before starting your maintenance, make sure one of your security bars is pushed in. Next step is to remove the rotating mechanism cover. Grab your can of VT800 lubrication that came with your ROQ, and you're going to go ahead and spray your rotating bearings liberally. Now I'm going to go ahead and pull my security bar out. Now I'm going to put the machine in auto with no print arms on and rotate it for 2 minutes and repeat as necessary. For the larger machines, P12 and above, I would recommend spraying the bearings twice. Push your security bar back in and then grab your cover and secure it over the top. Make sure it's fully seated. Now that your maintenance is complete, the next step is to reset your little maintenance guy so he goes away and you can get back to printing. Utilities, detectors, log. Typically here there would be a reset button. You tap reset and there would be a login. You would choose Technico. The password would be 1 through 9. You would hit OK, login successful, hit OK, and then you would end up having to hit reset one more time. Once you do that, the little maintenance guy is gone and you're ready to rock.